Hello everyone, today we make semolina bread. One of the most delicious bread. It's so elegant, tasty, plus is different shape. You can see it's like open book, and I will show you step by step how to make this fantastic crunchy bread with a different aroma. You can present it in your restaurant, something very new, and all you need to know in this channel. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa, corporate pastry chef for many cruise line, Royal Caribbean, MSC, and Norwegian Cruise Line. 20 years experience in the ship, it's all in this channel. So don't go anywhere. 500 gram semolina, 8 gram yeast, 10 gram salt, 40 gram olive oil, and then 8 gram sugar. That's it. 250 gram of warm water. All together. And you mix all ingredients. Low speed until you combine all the dough. Then the medium speed after that for 8 minutes continuously until you have elasticity dough. You can see the dough bring from the size. Just 8 minutes in this speed. That's it. You don't do anything until you can see the dough becomes elasticity, the glutinate works, and you have a perfect semolina bread dough. You keep in the container, as you see, very elastic bread, very beautiful, shiny, smooth. This is what we need. Cover it, leave it 45 minutes exactly in warm place, room temperature. After 45 minutes, I bring cutting board, I spread some semolina, and here it is. You cover all. What I'm doing now, I spread 2 millimeter high. That's it. 2 millimeter high. And then I leave it just before I cut 2 minutes to rest, because if I cut it directly, it will shrink. So I need resting dough. So I leave it 2 minutes to rest. After that, I cut, as you see, stripes. Very important to dust some semolina to isolated each layer. This dough need 5 layers of dough to have this perfect semolina book. You cut exactly, you make measurement for your mold. This I use muffin mold. You can see I cut with the back. I don't cut, I press with the back of the knife, not with the knife. And then feel free to cut the size you want, bigger or smaller, it's up to you. And all leftover of the dough, I make it roll and will become very beautiful roll. This is semolina bread. The leftover, I roll it as you see. And I make bok with muffin mold. And I bake 200 centigrade for 20 minutes. And here it is, the most delicious, crispy semolina bread. Very easy and very tasty. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmed Yunus, I'm waiting you in the next video.